And welcome to break 3528 for the 2020 Panini Black. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, October 9th, 2020. It's 11:03 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:03 p.m. Central Time, and 8:03 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Schmidt 3 spots, MDK with 4 spots. We have Ron 3, Key with 4, Joe 1, Law 1, Krupp with 1, World 1, CBD Cards 3, Rut Collect 1, Joe 3, Prada 2, C Walker 1, Answers 1, Greg 2, MF 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. Schmidt, you're on top. MF on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5, 6. And lucky number 7 has Prada on top. Greg on the bottom. So let's see who has what team or teams. Prada, you have the Cardinals and Falcons. Schmidt Ravens, Get Answers Bills, MDK Panthers Bears, CBD Cards Bengals, MDK with the Browns, Joe Cowboys, Rut Collect Broncos, Greg Lions, Ron Packers, Key Texans Colts, MDK with the Jaguars, Key Chiefs, World with the Raiders, Ron Chargers, MF Rams, Ron Dolphins, Schmidt with the Vikings, C Walker Patriots, Law with the Saints, Krupp with the Giants, CBD Cards, Jets, Eagles, Joe Steelers, Key with the 49ers. We have Schmidt Seahawks, Joe Buccaneers, Titans, and last but not least, Greg's going to Washington. Panini Black. I'll seal it up. Good luck, everybody. All 5 cards will ship. We're all here. Going to start off with Steve Largent and the Seattle Seahawks. Very cool. We have Seattle Seahawks first. Josh Jacobs jersey for the Las Vegas Raiders, 69 out of 99. Jet black. Raiders. And we have, very nice, Justin Herbert, rookie patch auto. Got 4 colors, 31 out of 50. Auto for the Chargers. Very nice for the Chargers. Sweet. So we have the Seahawks, Raiders, Chargers, Raekwon Davis, rookie auto, 129 out of 199 for Miami. Very nice. And then last but not least, Raiders, you have 2. We have Josh Jacobs, 18 out of 99 for the Raiders. Sweet. All right, let's go back through and see who's getting what. We'll start with the Miami Dolphins. Miami Dolphins going to Ron. Congrats, Ron. Seattle Seahawks are going to Schmidt. Congrats, Schmidt. And we have the Raiders. We have Josh Jacobs jersey and Josh Jacobs out of 99. They're both at around 99. Congrats, Vegas. Las Vegas Raiders World. John, congrats. And then last but not least, the Justin Herbert rookie 31 out of 50 jersey auto. Going to Ron, and that was break 3528. Very nice. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot right after this. Thanks.